Peanut butter all stir, and the peanut butter all stir. Blub, 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 blub. Blub, 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 blub. It's like sandpaper. You could take a wooden board across my head and it'll make it nice and smooth. I went grocery shopping and this one was a little unhealthy. Shirtless body, shaved head. Oh yeah, I'm gonna blur this out. I'm gonna black this out, but I'm flexing my abs right now. I'm feeling good today. Okay, I ordered something. What I purchased, I think might be for a child or a baby. I don't know. It is not a pacifier, for those of you misinterpreting this. It's called a Pop Baby. It's a blender. A blender that you can take on the go. Oh, look at this. Here's the cube tray, the miniature little cube tray. I'm pretty certain that mothers use this to blend stuff for their children, but it can also be used for adults as well. It smells like buttholes. It smells like a fresh action figure. It smells like a freshly made action figure in the factory. Look, blinking. All right, so we know it works. Oh, look what we got, guys. Look at this. Look, this is for your nipples. Woo! So, we got pineapples and strawberries, but we also got some spinach. This might be disgusting. Wow. I did not realize how potent spinach is. I put strawberries, pineapples, ice cubes, and spinach in here, and all I taste is spinach. So, good. I'm so happy I made this drink. Guys, I think I figured out the most annoying noise in the world. So I'm trying this new morning routine where I wake up at 4 a.m., try to do morning yoga, have a morning smoothie, all this crap. And I was looking for an alarm and I came across this one right here. Does anyone even use that alarm sound? Do you want to wake up with the feeling that an atomic bomb has been dropped? Chilling at the seaside. This one's called By the Seaside. Having fun. There's crabs in my butthole. I got crabs, but not they're physical crabs, not the STD. The physical crabs in. On the beach, having fun. Everybody got crabs in their butthole. Dudes and dudettes. It is 4:12 a.m. I was just looking over some stocks and I want you guys to tell me, what chart do you think this is? What am I looking at here? You guys tell me. Comment down below what chart you think this is. Pineapple, blueberries, spinach, and blueberry juice. Oh, that is weird. Shot oops for about 45 minutes. And now I'm just baking in a car, oven roasting myself here in this super hot car. I have to be honest with you guys, I had a pretty good day trading, so I'm pretty happy with myself. It's been such a good day, and coincidentally last night I found a song called Such a Good Day by some French artist. So it's been such a good day. Steak, quinoa, and powdered donuts. Will Clayton be able to survive the heart attack he's about to experience? Stay tuned. You guys, I forgot to tell you that me and Austin, my roommate, are moving. He knows where he's moving to. I don't know where I'm gonna move to yet, but we're moving away from Arizona. At least that's the plan right now. He's got all of his stuff out here in our non-existent living room. Our living room that never really existed. And we have 2 easels. And we painted together. Look at this. You guys remember this? We painted each other. We painted each other in a non-homosexual way. I'm gonna cut the video off right here. I'll see you guys next week or in like 4 years, whenever I post a video. Deal with it, losers. Yeah, and I'm not gonna end the video without calling you guys losers, without degrading you. Okay? Take that. What's up now? You got a problem with it, right? Square up. Look at me in the eyes. Do it. Take it easy. I'm gonna go have a peanut butter and butter sandwich. So get out of here.